lowering front of this 06 GMC here. We're going to be using some drop spindles, 2-inch drop spindles. You can see how much the difference drop there is there. It looks quite a bit, but it's only 2 inches. Looks like 4 inches looking at them, but it's only 2. So couple things you're gonna need is a brake over for your wheels, get your wheels off. Then you're gonna need a 18 socket, 21 socket, 18mm wrench, a hammer, pry bar, and a 10mm socket, and that should be all the tools you need. And then your jack, you need a jack also. And
15, an 18, and 24.
Okay, all right. I don't know where I got 21 from. I got the 18 part right. That's all you need to know. Alright, now you got your wheel off. First thing you're going to do is take this 10mm bolt out right here on the top of the spindle. And then you're going to take your caliper bracket off. It has 2 18mm bolts, one on the top, one on the bottom side. Now after you get that caliper off and set up there on the top of the A-arm, you can go ahead and take your rotor off. And when you get your rotor loose, there's your ABS sensor off in there. You're gonna need a 5.5 Allen wrench, I'm thinking. If not, I'll fix that. Alright, now that you got your rotor off and your caliper over there hung on the A-arm, you're gonna want to take off your hub. They got 3 15mm bolts on the back side there, and then also need to take off the ABS sensor right there. It's a 5 Allen, and after you get all that hub out of there, you just need to take off the tie rod in there and the upper and lower ball joint. The upper one's still the 18 and the lower one's the 24. Alright, got the whole spindle off. Just knock the ball joints loose by hitting the knuckles of the spindle off and prying at the same time, and then it just pops right loose. And I'm gonna go ahead and start trying to put the new spindle on.
So you put the new spindle on, put the hub on.
Before you put the new spindle on, put the hub on. Alright, if the lower ball joint not just sitting there turning, go ahead and get your jack and a jack stand, or another jack, however you want to do it, and jack up your spindle, and you'll go ahead and press it in that ball joint a little bit and keep it from spinning. And then you should be able to tighten it. Alright, got the drop spindles on, and went ahead and made the truck a little bit more level, but the back end's going to have to be raised just a little bit. It's about like 1 inch off. But other than that, it's a lot more level now and a lot more decent looking. Guess that'll be it for this video, guys, and we'll catch you later.